We're at the Punagamaranahalli Lake today on behalf of Alternicq Limited. We have adopted this lake 2 years ago, and today the whole team of Alternicq has assembled here to ensure that we come to a culminating end to the process which we had taken up 2 years ago to make this lake live. Today we had a drive for plantation. We have put up 1,000 trees today on behalf of Alternicq Limited at this lake location. I dedicate this lake to the communities of surrounding people around this area, which is in the vicinity of our plants in Bomasandra and Birt. Thank you.